guys, today is time for a science video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a shaving cream cloud. So what you're going to need: shaving cream, a clear jar full of water, and food dye. So first thing you're going to do, and also an assistant. Sorry, I almost forgot. So the first thing you're going to do, after you find your assistant, or assistants, sorry, you're going to take your shaving cream, shake it all up, then you're just going to fill the cup the rest of the way with shaving cream.
Here's Linux.
Oh, that's kind of gross.
Yeah, there's green.
So now my assistants are gonna dribble just a little bit of food coloring right on top.
I did green.
That's
a little more.
More. You need like maybe 1 or 2 drops per color, unless you have.
That's enough. Callie, it's not coming out.
Not yet, but put some yellow and some green
It's
in.
red. This is the third time.
Okay, so we're gonna have to settle this debate. Come on, you got it.
What type of cloud is that?
Shaving cream cloud.
The ones that make rain?
I believe it's a Cumulonimbus.
Yes, it is.
See, told you it's yellow.
It's not. It's red.
No,
it's orange. It's
Yeah.
not. It's not. It's orange and red.
What will eventually happen, we may have to speed it up a little bit, but eventually
I should add more.
yeah, just keep adding. Here, let me zoom in on this.
Oh my God. This is taking forever. Can we?
To the side.
It's coming. Lennox, move.
Move. And
And this is why we have a canvas over our thing. See, it's slowly coming down. But what's happening here is our food dye is mostly like water or oil, but the shaving cream is mostly air with whatever else is in there.
no, it isn't there. You're not holding.
So,
Well, Callie, that's the place. Put it through the cloud.
and because
I know it is. Can I just do this?
water is much heavier than air, our food coloring will slowly push its weight down, and the shaving cream is also staying up due to buoyancy.
That's fun.
Now it's quite yellow and quite green.
Yes.
Mhm.
It's quite.
So we added a ton more. We added a ton more, and now it's just streaming down like a green waterfall. It looks so cool. And Callie looks like she's trying to eat it.
Yum, ice cream.
But yeah.
Your tooth just fell.
She just lost her to the camera. Go. Yeah. But yeah, it is very green now. It looks a lot shinier than it on camera than it really is. But it is so cool. In my opinion, it would look even cooler if you had some kind of like LED or something right under it so you could see everything.
It's like a waterfall.
But yeah. This looks like it's about as close as I can get. But yeah, this is a really cool experiment to do just when you're bored. All you need is some shaving cream.
Weird.
All you need is oh, well, let's see it. Oh.
Now it's glowing?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't get it. Where is it? There we go. But look at that. Still coming down and everything.
Shiny. Oh, it looks like light up green.
Mm-hmm. And it's lighting up the bottom of the shaving cream too. Oh boy.
Wait, I don't want to do
I
this
don't think
on
we have any.
Yeah, I think we're done with that. I don't think we have any more.
do. Let me try
Yeah.
some yellow. Oh my god.
I used
Orange.
it to-
Alright, I think that's gonna wrap it up.
Yep.
Again, please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any more upcoming videos. See you guys.